Good morning, students. Here we have to see the practice set 1.4. In that, first we see the fifth question. Because here are many signs, and from this signs we have to solve the question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and therefore we have to first solve the question number 5. In that question number 5, observe the here one Venn diagram gives. In that Venn diagram, it is the U set, and in U set there will be A and B sets. A and B set. In A set X, Y, Z, commonly M and N elements. In B sets P, Q, R, and here S, here T. All these elements are present in the given sets. Then they say observe the given Venn diagram and write the following sets. In that first question, write down set A. How to write the set A? In set A, we have to write down elements present in the A set. Means present in the A circle. Write down elements X, Y, Z, and commonly elements M and N. This is the set A. Then second, B set. B set, the elements present in B set P, Q, R, then M and N. Then they says to write the A union B. A union B. These signs indicate union. Union means combination. Means we have to combine these two sets. But the elements which are repeated, write down only one time. Means A and B elements X, Y, Z, then P, Q, R, and M and N. This is the A union B. Here M and N present in A and B set. Then here we can write only one time, not to double write down. Only one time we write M and N elements. Then fourth question, A intersection B. In that element, this sign opposite U, this sign indicates intersection. Intersection means write down the common elements. Common elements present in A and B. It is called as the intersection. All of you know union. Union means combination of both of these two sets, and intersection means only common points write down. In A and B only common points there will be M and N. Therefore in A intersection B only two elements are present, M and N. Then next set they have to write U set. U means universal set. Universal set means write down all elements present in A, B and U sets. Means we have to write universal is equal to X, Y, Z, M, N, then P, Q, R, and the last here S and T also present. So it is also writing union set. Then next A complement B. A complement is equal to. How to write A complement? We have to see in last video how to write the A complement. Here we comparison between the A and U set. In A set here in A set A is equal to X, Y, Z, M, N present. These elements remove from U set. Remove from U set means X, Y, Z, M, N. Then remaining elements write in set A complement B means P, Q, R, S and T. This is the A complement set. Then next B complement. In B complement set, we write down the elements which are not present in B sets but present in U sets. In B sets, they give P, Q, R, M, N elements. These P, Q, R, M, N elements remove from U sets and then remaining elements write down. Then B complement we get X, Y, Z and S, T. X, Y, Z and S, T. Then next set they use A union B bracket intersection. Sorry, A union B complement. How to write A union B complement? In A union B complement, here we have to write A union B. In A union B set, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, M, N. These elements are present. These all elements remove from U set. These all elements remove from U set. Then X, Y, Z, M, N and P, Q, R. Then remaining elements only S and T. Therefore, in that set only elements S and T. All of you understood? A union B, A intersection, A union B set, A intersection B set. In A union B, there will be combination of A and B set. In A intersection B, there will be only common elements. Then A complement, B complement and A union B complement. This is the fifth example in practice set 1.4. Then we see the first question.